Yeah, my radio right here.
Yeah, yeah. No, I was just curious. So.
Other than that, no, just
I like your
radio the hoist operator. And
And then I take
he controls it.
Yeah. Is it the one that's like this?
Old stock,
That looks fun. Have you ever got to do that?
No.
No.
She
Do you want to?
No, I'll be fine.
She had mentioned me, possibly.
I work in the shaft.
Really?
What do you do?
So day shift, run people around, materials and stuff. Night shift, we're actually doing rehab
I was like, I
in the
don't
shaft.
want to.
What does that mean?
Replace these timbers, rebuild stations,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Stations meaning some of those other stops?
Yeah, where you get off on a level.
Oh, okay.
At a station, it's bigger, longer timber. Like these main timbers are every 6 feet.
But then, like,
When you get to the station, they're like 18 feet apart. So there was an old station.
a long ways.
That's 39.
But it is a very good week.
So every day you're, how often are you actually replacing somebody?
We might, like right now, we're only replacing say 5 or 6 a week.
Oh, okay, but it is, yeah, almost every day.
Almost, yeah. It's only on night shift and weekends when we don't have any people running in the shaft. That we can actually work in the shaft. A lot slower too. When you only have one crew on night shift, because you got to get everything closed back up so you can run in the morning.
Right.
Then you got to, just in case you drop something, you have to inspect, so you got to stop and allow time for that. You're just slower. Like come the weekend, that's when most of our timber gets replaced.
Yeah.
There's a gas meter, I'm guessing, but like, when you're replacing that, are you?
We work up
right
on,
here?
no, we work up on the top floor up above us.
Oh,
There's a deck above us. I can show you that when we get to the ramp.
okay.
That's where we work, is on the top deck.
I don't have power.
And there's no walls or nothing. It's just, it's like a bonnet that we have over the top of us, and there's just poles there so we can see everything.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot of work.
Oh, we did.
I can't imagine what it is, yeah.
Yeah, I can show you, it's not a big deal.
Yes.
Is one of those for the floorboard or was that on the other side?
Those 2 little holes there come up. That way when we sling stuff under the cage, we can watch it. But this rail is so we can push cars in and out.
Okay. Does it like come in and then go out the other side?
Either way,
Yeah.
there's only one station that goes out the back of the cage. That's the 800. Everything comes out the front.
Okay.
But up in the head frame, we can load from both sides.
We still do a lot, like, a lot of the excavations done right there. You're still doing more excavations.
No.
Is that what the cars are for? Is like
No, well, for heavy loads, like heavy stuff underground.
okay, yeah.
Like the scientists, they need liquid nitrogen a lot. And we have a big tanker that we, on rollers. Then we have other like flat decks, or we call them tubs. They look like a big giant bathtub. We'll fill full of rock or whatever. And send down. They have trash, and we'll send them a tub. And that's what. It just makes it easy for us to roll stuff in and out.
This page was put in 2011.
Those big items, I think I heard like originally you guys were gonna right? But have you found kind of different?
They do that at the rocks. They built a special skip cage for that.
Okay.
It's like 60 foot tall. Yeah, they'll suspend it in that cage. And then they strap it around.
They're really good.
What other kinds of things do you
This is what
think?
holds the shaft.
Like the rail, for the rail cars, the rail,
What is it used for?
stuff that won't fit inside the cage. So Caterpillar was on the 1700 doing research.
Until we
Like
screw
the
it.
Bobcat, we can't fit inside, so they tear it apart and we suspended them.
So what are
Yeah, they're little side by sides, stuff like that. It gets suspended.
they're really big
we've got some long tables that have eyes on.
There's some
You can
cell
hook it on
phones,
here.
lights,
You reach out with a
tape
hook,
measures.
grab those cables, then you'll hook it up
You guys
there.
ever need to get to the
And on
bottom
the
of
1700 in the back, the 17 is a winch. We can slowly allow that into the shaft.
Right, okay. Oh, neat. Gosh. Your job sounds fun.
Yeah.
Falling apart.
Saving money, Ron.
Yeah, it's like 30 cents.
Yeah, I bought a small box, like maybe 25. About that size.
Yeah?
I think I paid about $20 for it.
Yeah, they're $900 for a box.
It's really great. Really expensive.
We go through it, don't we, Rodney?
A lot. Yes.
How many floors are there to get off on in this?
There was supposed to
I-
be a station every 150 feet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
But then they've skipped a few, like between
Yeah.
the 1100 and,
Yeah, 1117.
yep, that's a big gap.
Yeah. But there's just 3 main levels that we get off on right now.
We don't maintain them.
Caterpillar at 40,
17, 41, and the 48.
what's that 41?
A company called Sigma V, or something along that, right? Okay. They do geothermal type work.
Oh, okay.
It's a cool space.
Yeah.
It really is.
Are there tours of that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
George. Yeah.
Geothermal, that's, nobody's digging the geothermal thing that deep, are they? Are they?
Not,
I
makes
think they had
sense,
some funding snafus,
Yeah.
so I don't think
I'm
they've
not
been there
sure.
for a while.
I know we took they replaced some pumps and stuff on there. But other than that, I'm not sure. Above my pay grade.
Yeah, it's a drill rig.
That was like, Caterpillar and like Pastors, are they?
Yeah, nope, they left probably this last winter, yeah. They're, I don't know if their funding got done or the research got done, but they were doing a lot of autonomous type stuff.
And so that level's clear.
Yep. Yep. They used their side-by-sides. They had 6 side-by-sides down there
Okay.
that they had put their autonomous stuff on and control them from one of the rooms.
Right. That sounded really cool.
I remember I have a
It was.
picture after we got
Yeah, I
done.
didn't realize it was David. Yeah.
And I remember thinking how huge that was. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's not anything, you know? Just the ground. You could take 10 of the Davis covers and put it in.
Are you looking for new tenants on the citizen?
I believe they are, but I'm not sure what direction they're headed. They're looking for. You know, they did a lot of work to it. Where they were actually working was like a mile and a half from the station.
Oh,
The 17 station.
like you had to go.
Yeah, they took a little locomotive and a man car and drive back there every day.
Amazing.
Yep.
Because you were you okay? So that's when
That'd be
you
a
went here
sweet
when they were
office.
first starting, right? Were you back?
No, I'm
first?
still going to work.
Okay.
I was back
70
right when they
degrees
were
every day.
commissioning the new Ross boys. Right before we deployed Tyson. Yeah. Right when things were starting to really clear out. Perfect timing. Shepherding new science. Yeah. Especially after being on the Navy project. And now actually seeing things happen and come together, it's like, oh my gosh, it's awesome. It's happening, dude. Yeah, it's so cool.
I forget, this is like slower on the way down. It's not really on the way up. And why is that?
Our drums are
So now it is this.
like a funnel. Stop subcage. Subcage down at your. So on the large end of the funnel, our drum is 78 feet around.
Yeah.
On the short end,
Have you heard that
it's
too?
20.
Like Shivers, the Shivers brew pub?
No, it's.
Just the hangout after retreat.
Hold on, so the